Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the right My Player foundation. Pick an archetype that fits how you want to win. This reduces wasted attribute points. Once chosen, funnel early upgrades into stamina, grapple, and strike to keep you active in matches. Make sure to equip 2 primary grapples or strikes plus 1 finisher that chains smoothly into your typical sequence. This gives you a reliable offensive loop. Practice those 3 moves until you can execute them under pressure, because consistency beats flashy, unreliable options. Once your foundation is set, focus on match flow and counter timing to gain the edge. You should recognize short, medium, and long reversal windows and practice hitting them instinctively. This turns defense into offense. Use target pickups and move opponents toward the ring or corner where your combos are strongest, and make sure to control pace so you choose engagements. Mix light and strong attacks with holds and occasional taunts to bait poor reactions. Repeat drills in exhibition until your timing feels automatic. Finish by optimizing gear and executing a clean closing sequence. Equip items that directly boost your core attributes and signature/finisher meter gain so every hit matters. Once done, use safe sequences to build momentum without risking a counter. Time your finisher cash in around 1/3 to 1/2 of the meter for the best success versus desperate reversals. Make sure to tweak controller sensitivity and remap buttons if needed. If inputs feel off, calibrate dead zones and test again to avoid missed reversals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.